Good morning, students. Today's topic is disorders of digestive system. First disease is the jaundice. Jaundice is occurred due to the elevation of bile pigments in blood. If liver has any infection, bile pigments they mixed in the blood increase the bile pigments level in the blood. So due to that bile pigments, eyes, skin, nails, all these are becoming yellow color and stool is becoming light. Actually, due to bile pigments, stools are brown in color, but here bile pigments are present in blood, that's why stools are becoming white in color. Vomiting. So vomiting is another disorder which is controlled by vomiting center present in medulla oblongata. Regurgitation, that means backward movement of food from stomach, esophagus, mouth is called the vomiting. Emesis. Emesis means coming out. Next, come to the diarrhea. Abnormal bowel movements. That means bowels are moving abnormally, morely. And here absorption of food will not be takes place through the liquid. More amount of fecal will be excreted. So more amount of water is loosed out through this fecal matter. So then what happened? Dehydration will be takes place. And food will not be properly digested here. So most of the food is indigested and not digested and absorbed. It will be excreted out through the water. So to treat this diarrhea, generally they give the medicine. To treat the dehydration, they are giving ORS, oral rehydration solution will be given. So salt and sugar containing water. They replace the electrolytes which are removed from the motion. Constipation. Above diarrhea, more movement of bowel. Here, retaining in the colon. That means fecal matter is not moving. They are struck in the colon. Slow movement struck in the colon. So motion freely not occurred. To treat this, they given medicine, dietary fibers, water, laxative, and enema. So enema means through the anus they pump the soap solution which cause the irritation and causing the removing of the feces from the colon. Indigestion. If excess food they are taken or enzymes are not properly produced, anxiety, overeating, spicy food, all these causing the not digestion of the food is called the indigestion. So these are the general disorders. So first one is the jaundice which is due to the elevation of bile pigments. Second, vomiting. Vomiting is the reflex action coming backward of the food and controlled by vomiting center present in medulla. Diarrhea, abnormal bowel movement with liquid, it will be excreted out. Dehydration is the main symptom. Constipation is feces is retained in colon, slow movement of feces. It will be treated by medicine, fibers, dietary fibers and పీచు పదార్థాలు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నవి తినాలన్నమాట. Laxative, enema, soap solution treatment. Ingestion means food not is digested due to the low secretion of enzymes, anxiety, food poison, overeating, spicy food. These are the main reasons. Next, come to the calorific value means giving energy. Heat means here energy is released by combustion of 1 gram food is called the gross calorific value. Same heat is combustion of food it released in body, then we are calling physiological value. The absolute or the gross caloric value, physiological values of carbohydrates, proteins and fats are like this. Carbohydrates absolute is 4.1, physiological caloric value is 4 kilocalories per gram. Protein 5.6 and 4 caloric values physiological. Fats 9.4 kilocalories per gram, whereas physiologically 9. And here carbohydrates, proteins have the same physiological value, whereas fats have the more. That means more energy is produced from the fats only. So fats are, that's why fats are stored whenever we are starving, fasting condition, they are releasing energy to the body. So more energy is released by the fats. Next, carbohydrates and proteins, they having the same level. If they ask the which one have the more calorific value, you write fats first, second protein, last carbohydrates. Carbohydrates instantly they given the energy, but stored and giving energy is mostly fats only. So these are about the diseases and calorific values, disorders and calorific values.